Awning windows Orange Park deliver ventilation, privacy, and storm-smart performance for homes across Clay County and the Jacksonville area. For a residential window upgrade, awning window replacement can refresh curb appeal, improve airflow, and support a home window retrofit with modern materials and tighter seals. Homeowners searching for Orange Park, Florida replacement windows often want weatherproof awning windows, insulated awning windows, and energy-efficient awning windows that reduce drafts and help manage cooling costs in Florida heat. Awning window installation Orange Park, Florida should be handled by replacement window contractors who understand local weather, code requirements, and precise fit. Orange Park, Florida awning window contractors can provide awning window measurements, window frame replacement, trim and sill replacement, and window sealing and caulking that support long-term performance. Whether you need Orange Park, Florida residential window installers or an Orange Park, Florida window replacement company, professional installation helps residential awning windows operate smoothly and stay sealed during heavy rain and humidity. Custom awning windows Orange Park are a smart choice for homeowners who want a tailored look and dependable function. Modern awning window designs pair well with casement and awning windows in kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and living areas that need controlled ventilation. New construction awning windows and home awning window replacement projects can also benefit from vinyl awning windows, custom sizing, and sleek hardware that complements Orange Park, Florida home improvement windows and a full Orange Park home window upgrade. Energy-efficient awning windows. Orange Park homes can use low-E awning windows, double-pane awning windows, and insulated awning windows Orange Park to help regulate indoor comfort year-round. These features are especially valuable for residential awning windows Orange Park, Florida, where intense sun, heat, and seasonal storms can affect performance. Weather-resistant awning windows combined with proper glazing, air sealing, and durable frames can improve comfort while supporting lower energy use for Orange Park window replacement services. Orange Park awning window replacement often becomes necessary when glass fogs, frames warp, or hardware fails. Glass replacement for awning windows, awning window installation, awning window hardware replacement, and awning window installation Orange Park, Florida can restore operation without a full overhaul in some cases. When damage is broader, awning window replacement Orange Park, home awning window replacement, and window frame replacement may be the better solution for long-term value and reliability. Vinyl awning window replacement Orange Park remains popular because vinyl offers low maintenance, strong insulation, and consistent performance in humid Florida conditions. Orange Park, Florida residential window replacement customers often choose vinyl awning windows, double-pane awning windows Orange Park, Florida, and low-E awning windows Orange Park, Florida to balance style and efficiency. For homeowners comparing options, awning windows Orange Park with upgraded frames and seals can outperform older units in comfort, noise reduction, and weather resistance. Orange Park, Florida awning window contractors serving the Jacksonville area awning window services market can support everything from one-room updates to whole home projects. Clay County. Awning window replacement jobs may include Orange Park, Florida home window upgrade packages, residential window retrofit solutions, and Orange Park, Florida window contractors who handle multiple opening types. If you want a coordinated exterior update, pairing awning windows with other replacement window contractors can unify the home's look and improve overall performance. Awning window installation Orange Park, Florida is ideal for spaces that need airflow even during rain because the sash opens outward from the bottom. That makes residential awning windows Orange Park, Florida a favorite for bathrooms, laundry rooms, and high wall openings. Home awning windows Orange Park, Florida can be configured with tilt and awning windows, durable locks, and weatherproof awning windows that stay functional through daily use and seasonal weather shifts across Orange Park, Florida. Orange Park, Florida window contractors often recommend awning window glass replacement Orange Park when the frame remains sound but the glass package needs attention. If seals fail or condensation appears, double-pane awning windows Orange Park, Florida may require targeted service rather than full replacement. Orange Park, Florida replacement windows, Orange Park Window Replacement Services, and Awning Window Glass Replacement. Orange Park can provide practical upgrades that preserve the existing opening while improving performance and appearance. For homeowners seeking a polished result, awning window installation should begin with accurate measurements, matching materials, and the right finish details. Orange Park awning window replacement teams can coordinate trim and sill replacement, frame adjustments, and custom awning windows in Orange Park for a precise fit. From low-E awning windows Orange Park, Florida to weather-resistant awning windows Orange Park, the right combination of products and installation creates lasting value for Orange Park, Florida home improvement windows. For Orange Park awning window replacement, homeowners can upgrade to energy-efficient awning windows, low-E awning windows, insulated awning windows, and weatherproof awning windows that improve comfort and curb appeal. Orange Park, Florida replacement windows are ideal for a residential window upgrade, especially when replacing aging units with modern awning window designs, vinyl awning windows, double-pane awning windows, or custom awning windows. Orange Park, Florida home improvement windows also support better airflow and light control, making home awning windows Orange Park, Florida a smart choice for year-round performance and style. Awning window installation Orange Park, Florida should be handled by experienced replacement window contractors and Orange Park, Florida residential window installers who understand proper awning window measurements, window sealing and caulking, and trim and sill replacement. Orange Park, Florida awning window contractors can manage awning window installation, window frame replacement, and home window retrofit projects with precision. Whether you need new construction awning windows or a full home awning window replacement, choosing Orange Park, Florida Window Replacement Company services helps ensure durable results for residential awning windows Orange Park, Florida and surrounding Clay County properties. Awning window installation Orange Park, Florida is often the best solution when homeowners need awning window hardware fixes, glass replacement for awning windows, or awning window glass replacement Orange Park without replacing the entire unit. Many Orange Park, Florida window contractors also offer awning window installation, tilt and awning windows service, and replacement of worn seals to restore performance. For homes that need targeted updates, awning window installation Orange Park, Florida can be a cost-effective way to improve weather-resistant awning windows while maintaining the existing frame and style of the home. Orange Park, Florida awning window contractors provide solutions for casement and awning windows, residential awning windows, and home awning window replacement projects across Orange Park and the Jacksonville area. From Orange Park window replacement services to Florida awning window installation services, local experts help homeowners choose the right products for energy savings and durability. Whether you want Orange Park home window upgrade options, Orange Park, Florida replacement windows, or custom awning windows in Orange Park, a trusted team can deliver the right fit for your property and budget. Vinyl awning window replacement Orange Park remains one of the most popular choices for homeowners seeking low-maintenance, long-lasting performance. Orange Park awning window replacement services often include double-pane awning windows Orange Park, Florida, low-E awning windows Orange Park, Florida, and insulated awning windows Orange Park for better thermal efficiency. With Orange Park, Florida window contractors, homeowners can also compare residential window upgrade options, awning window measurements, and awning window installation Orange Park, Florida to ensure the best match for their home. Awning windows Orange Park, Florida.